Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Anindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss properties of triangles intermediate first year mathematics 1A. In this, we have completed exercise 10A and before examples. Now we enter into the exercise 10B and before examples. Exercise 10B before examples also we have completed in the previous sessions. Now we are in exercise 10B first section. In the first question, let us have a discussion. In triangle ABC, express sigma r1 into cot A by 2 in terms of S. So here consider sigma r1 into cot A by 2. Consider sigma r1 into cot A by 2, which is equal to sigma r1 into, we know that cot A by 2 formula, the relation between r1 s and tan is, we have r1 equal to tan A by 2 into S. That means S into tan A by 2. This is the formula. One of the formulas. So from this, cot A by 2, R1 into cot A by 2. First you write it like this, which is equal to sigma. In place of R1 directly you write it as S into tan A by 2 into cot A by 2. The reciprocal of tan is cot, no? So 1 by tan A can be written as 1 by cot A, or tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Even that also we can write it. So which is easy for you, that you can follow. Here I am writing cot A by 2 is equal to 1 by tan A by 2. So we will cancel it both. So which is equal to sigma S into tan A by 2, 1 by tan A by 2. Even you can write like this also, tan A by 2 into cot A by 2 is also equal to 1 directly, no problem. These two will be cancelled. Sigma S. If we expand this sigma, here related total, it is related to triangle, no? So 3 times we can expand. Sigma S is equal to S plus S plus S, which is equal to 3S. Now sigma r1 cot A by 2 in terms of S is 3S. Or this one you can write like this also, nothing will happen. Instead of writing sigma, if you expand first term only, we get sigma r1 cot A by 2. Write it as r1 cot A by 2 plus r2 cot A by 2, r2 cot B by 2 plus r3 cot C by 2. After that, cot A by 2 formula you have to write it. Cot A by 2 means what? From here, r1 is equal to S into tan A by 2 only, no? So from that, tan A by 2 equal to r1 by S. The reciprocal of tan A by 2 is cot A by 2. So 1 by tan A by 2 means cot A by 2 can be written as S by r1. So similarly, cot B by 2 is S by r2, cot C by 2 is S by r3. Similarly, cot B by 2 equal to S by r2, cot C by 2 equal to S by r3. So these values you can substitute in this. So r1 into S by r1 plus r2 into S by r2 plus r3 into S by r3. So r1 r1, r2 r2, r3 3 cancel. S plus S, which is equal to 3S. Even this way also you can do that. Both the methods are easy. That is important question. You remember that, dear students. Very much formulas are very much required. This is very, very important. Keep in mind. The next question. Show that in triangle ABC, sigma A into cot A equal to 2 times of capital R plus small r. So here consider LHS. Consider LHS. Sigma A into cot A, which is equal to sigma small a value. From sine rule we have small a equal to 2r sine a. So that value you can write it. So 2r into sine a. Cot a can be written as cos a by sine a. So sine a get cancelled. The remaining terms sigma 2r into cos a. 2r constant you can take outside of the sigma. Remaining is sigma cos a. Sigma cos a, it can be written as cos a plus cos b plus cos c, which is equal to 2r into, if you remove that sigma, it will become cos a plus cos b plus cos c. From transformations in trigonometry, we already discussed this value. In triangle ABC, we have cos A plus cos B plus cos C can be written as 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, 4 sin B by 2, 4 sin C by 2. That is the formula. So now which is equal to 2r into, in place of this bracket value you have to replace with this value, 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. After that, we know the value of small r. Small r, since we have r equal to 4 into capital R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. So in this we need to get r value to get small r. So multiplying and dividing by the capital R to the second term, here second term, then this will becomes 2r into 1 plus, for the second term we are multiplying by r and dividing by r, sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. So this numerator of second term will become smaller, 2r into 1 plus small r divided by capital R. Now actual multiplication you have to do that. So 2 into capital R into 1 plus 2 into capital R into small r divided by capital R. So capital R get cancelled. We get, so 2 capital R into 2 into small r. Take common 2 from here. You will get 2 times of capital R plus small r. Therefore, conclusion step. Sigma, which is RHS, ultimately conclusion step I am writing. Small a into cot A is equal to 2 times of capital R plus small r. Hence proved or hence showed. The next question, very important for 4 marks. Sometimes they are asking for 7 marks. In triangle ABC, prove that R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal to 4 into capital R. So to prove these type of problems, we discussed already examples before 10 we exercise. This type of question we discussed. Consider LHS. LHS can be split into two terms and separately you calculate the values, then get it. Now consider LHS. In LHS, R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R. Now I am considering in LHS separate terms as R1 plus R2. What is the value of R1? In previous sessions we discussed that R1 value is 4R sin A by 2. R1 means first one. First term in R1 is sin A by 2. Remaining will be cos. You remember that. So 4R into sin A by 2. Remaining terms cos B by 2, cos C by 2. Plus R2. R2 means second term will be sin, remaining will be cos. So 4R into cos A by 2 sin B by 2 into cos C by 2. From these two, what will be take common? 4R cos C by 2 take common. 4R cos C by 2 take common. So now 4R cos C by 2, if you take common, sin A by 2 cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin B by 2 will be remaining. It is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So 4R into cos C by 2 into sin of A by 2 plus B by 2. In trigonometry, in transformations, we have that in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 na? So from that A plus B is equal to pi minus C, dividing on both sides by 2, pi by 2 minus C by 2. So taking sign on both sides, sin of A plus B by 2 equal to sin of pi by 2 minus C by 2. It means cos C by 2. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So wherever sin of A plus B by 2 is there, you have to replace with cos C by 2. Therefore, which is equal to 4R cos C by 2. Even this bracket value also cos C by 2. So cos C by 2 into cos C by 2, cos square C by 2. 4R cos square C by 2. This is the value of R1 plus R2. After that, the remaining term is there, na? R3 minus R. You have to consider R3 minus R. R3 means what? Third term will be sin. So 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, sin C by 2 minus small r. Small r means all the terms sin. 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Now what term will be common from both? 4R sin C by 2 here and here it is there, na? So 4R sin C by 2 take common. Cos A by 2, cos B by 2 minus sin A by 2 into sin B by 2. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos of A plus B formula. So 4R into sin C by 2 cos of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos of A plus B. So A by 2 plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 means pi by 2 minus C by 2 only, no? You can substitute here. 4R sin C by 2 into cos of pi by 2 minus c by 2. Cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. So 4r sin c by 2 into sin c by 2. So which is equal to 4r into sin square c by 2. Therefore the value of r3 minus r equal to 4r sin square c by 2. After that, now consider LHS. Therefore, LHS step considering R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal to R1 plus R2 value is 4R cos square c by 2 plus R3 minus R, this value is 4R sin square c by 2. Take common 4R from these two. So now 4R into cos square c by 2 plus sin square c by 2. It is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta, that value is 1 only, no? So 4R into 1, which is equal to 4R. Therefore it is required RHS. Therefore conclusion step, R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal to 4R. Hence proved R. Next question. In triangle ABC, prove that R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3 equal to 4R cos C. So here, like previous problem, you have to do that. But before considering LHS, first two terms are there, no? R plus R1, that value we will calculate. After that R2 minus R3 also we will calculate. Consider in the solution. In the solution step, first consider R plus R1. R plus R1 equal to, what is R? R means all are sine. So 4R into sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. This is about R value. Plus R1. R1 means first term only sin, remaining cos. So 4R into sin A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. So what terms will be common here? Clearly 4R sin A by 2 is common. So 4R sin A by 2 take common. The remaining terms sin B by 2, sin C by 2 plus cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. It is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, cos of A minus B formula. So 4R into sin A by 2 into key bracket. This is the formula for cos of B by 2 minus C by 2. This is the value of R plus R1. We got it first term. Now here we got R plus R1 value. Now R2 minus R3 we are going to do that. Now again R2 minus R3. R2 means what? Second term. Second term will be sin, remaining cos. So 4R into cos A by 2, sin B by 2 into cos C by 2 minus R3 means last term only sin. So 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, sin C by 2. So from this 4R cos A by 2 take common. 4R cos A by 2 if you take common, sin B by 2, cos C by 2 minus cos B by 2, sin C by 2. It is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B formula. A is equal to B by 2, B is equal to C by 2. So 4R into cos A by 2 into sin of B by 2 minus C by 2. This is the value of R2 minus R1. Sorry, R2 minus R3. Now R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3. You have to add these two. Then LHS will come. This is 1, equation 2, equation 1 and 2. Now considering LHS, equation 1 plus 2, that is R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3, which is equal to R plus R1 value is 4R sin A by 2 into 4R sin A by 2 into cos of B by 2 minus C by 2. This is about R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3, this value 4R cos A by 2 into sin of B minus C by 2, that means B by 2 minus C by 2. 4R take common from these two, sin A by 2 cos B by 2 minus C by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin B by 2 minus C by 2. Again, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B only, no? So 4R into sin of A plus B. A by 2 plus B by 2 minus C by 2. In place of A plus B by 2, A by 2 plus B by 2 means A plus B by 2 only, no? So 4R into sin of A by 2 plus B by 2 means pi by 2 minus C by 2. Sir, how sir? Means in the previous sessions we discussed. Still, if you want, I will write it here. A plus B plus C equal to pi in triangle ABC. So A plus B is equal to pi minus C. A by 2 plus B by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus pi C by 2. That is the reason we got it. So pi by 2 4R into sin of pi by 2 minus C by 2 minus C by 2. That means minus C. So sin of pi by 2 minus C means sin of 90 minus theta, cos theta. So 4R into cos C. This is required RHS. Therefore, conclusion step. R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3 is equal to 4R cos C. Hence proved. The next question. In triangle ABC, if R plus R1 plus R2 equal to R3, then prove that C equal to 90 degrees. So how to do this one is, consider given R plus R1 plus R2 equal to R3. Now what I am doing is, this R value I am taking into this side. So it will becomes R1 plus R2 equal to R3 minus R. Now LHS is R1 plus R2 and RHS is R3 minus R. Now in this LHS you have to consider LHS is equal to R1 plus R2. Already we discussed R1 plus R2. How to do that is, R1 equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 plus R2 value, that means second position is sin, remaining cos, 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Take common from these two, 4R cos C by 2. 4R cos C by 2 if we take common, sin a by 2 cos b by 2 plus cos a by 2 into sin b by 2 will be there. This bracket value is in the form of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin of a plus b. So 4r into cos c by 2 into sin of a by 2 plus b by 2, which is equal to 4r into cos c by 2, keep bracket. We know that a plus b plus in triangle ABC now. Since in triangle ABC a plus b plus c is equal to 180, so from that a plus b is equal to 180 minus c, a by 2 plus b by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. So in place of a plus b, a by 2 plus b by 2, you have to write it as pi by 2 minus c by 2. So now in place of that, sin of pi by 2 minus c by 2, you write it. We know that sin of pi by 2 minus c by 2, sin of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So which is equal to 4r into cos c by 2 into cos c by 2. So which is equal to 4r into cos c by 2 into cos c by 2, cos square c by 2. This is the value of RHS. Now consider, LHS that is. Consider RHS. RHS value is what? R3 minus R equal to R3 value. What is R3? R3 means the third term in that formula. Sin will come. Remaining all are cos. 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. This is the formula for R3. Minus R means all are sin. 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Now take common from these. 4R sin C by 2. 4R sin C by 2, if you take common, we get cos A by 2 cos B by 2 minus sin A by 2 sin B by 2, which is equal to 4r into sin c by 2 cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos of a plus b formula, this bracket value. So cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. Just now we discussed that in place of a by 2 plus b by 2, again what you have to replace? Pi by 2 minus c by 2. So which is equal to 4r into sin c by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2 is cos of pi by 2 minus c by 2. Cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. Therefore, which is equal to 4r into sin c by 2 into sin c by 2. Cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin c by 2. So, which is equal to 4r into sin square c by 2. After getting the value of RHS and LHS, see here, this R1 plus R2 is LHS, R3 minus R is RHS. So we have to equate these two. So from this information, LHS is equal to RHS now. Therefore, R1 plus R2 equal to R3 minus R. That implies that R1 plus R2 is 4R cos square C by 2, which is equal to 4R sin square C by 2. On both sides 4R get cancelled, which is equal to dividing on both sides by cos square by 2. So 1 is equal to cos square by 2, we are taking this side. Sin square C by 2 by cos square C by 2. So sin by cos is tan, which is equal to tan square C by 2. So 1 is equal to tan square C by 2. So that implies that 1 is equal to tan C by 2. So from this 1 is equal to tan divided 1 can be written as what? That implies tan pi by 4, which is equal to tan C by 2. By comparing pi by 4 equal to C by 2. That implies that 2 ones are 2 twos are. So C is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. Therefore, conclusion step, C is equal to 90 degrees. Whenever R1 plus R plus R1 plus R2 equal to R3, then the angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe, share, like and support to this channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box in YouTube channel. I will respond. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.